Hi, this is Heidi with Foundation Homes. I'm here at 28 Ross Terrace in Kentfield. So there's a 2-car garage. Down here on the first floor is a separate entrance that goes into 1 bedroom. So it's very private. And then we'll go in through the main entrance, which is on the 2nd floor. So when you come here, there is a cute little patio balcony. Nice views. Okay, so going into the house, there's a dining area here. Stairs that go upstairs. Here is a living room here. This looks out, has nice views of Mt Tam. Gas fireplace there. Here's the formal dining area with very high ceilings. We'll go take a peek at the kitchen. So in here we have a nice gas range, Viking hood. There's the sink, there's a dishwasher here, trash compactor, lots of counter space. On this side we have the fridge that blends in with the pantries, double oven and a microwave over there. Coming through here is a family room with another gas fireplace. Out here we have a very private back patio. This looks out at a green hill. That's some beautiful trees. So then on this floor, there is 1 bedroom. So there's this little bedroom. There's a closet here. There is a full bath here with a stand-up shower. To the right is the stairs that go downstairs. We will go upstairs first and see the main bedrooms. So, to the right here, we have the master bedroom, which has really high ceilings, and looking out, there's a view of Mt Tam out the window. Gets a lot of light. Through here, there are 2 mirrored closets in the hallway, and we go into a massive ensuite bathroom with double vanity, modern light fixtures, a jacuzzi tub, and an updated stand-up shower with some cool stone tile work. The toilet is in there, and there's another large walk-in closet here. So there's a ton of space, and as I said, a ton of light. To the right here is the door to the elevator that goes all the way down to the bottom level. Here is the 2nd bedroom upstairs. So this has nice views of the backyard and the back hills. There's a sizable closet, and it also has its own bathroom here. Very clean shower tub combo. Here we have a small room that could be a nice office. Has hardwood floors, really high ceilings. And then the last row up here is the laundry room. So there are the washer dryer, and there's also sink and some extra shelving in here. Okay, so now we'll go down back through the main living area. We will wrap around and go all the way down the stairs to the last bedroom with the private entrance. So here is the final bedroom. It also has its own bathroom. Here is the 2-car garage, which is very spacious. The elevator is through that door, so you can take that all the way up to the 2nd or 3rd floor. And then from here, there's a storage room right outside. And now we're back at the front of the house. Thanks for touring.